Today I've got this SodaStream, and it leaks pretty violently whenever you try to screw in a new air tank. Now on the inside of here, you'll notice that there's this little pin, and on top of the bottle, you'll see there's this little valve here. Well, that pin just pushes down on this valve. So if you push down on this valve, then gas will release. Now what's supposed to happen is when you push down on this button, that's actually pushing down on a little thing right in here that's supposed to be pushing down this pin into the top of our bottle. But what I figured out is that whoever changed this bottle last time lost this little O-ring. It must have fallen onto the ground and got lost. And so I bought a new one, and what we can do is just push one right back in there. Just like that. So what was happening before was that this bottle was actually screwing in too far such that this little pin would always hit the valve on top of this bottle. Now that we have the O-ring in there, the valve will stop before it gets that deep. Now that I've got that O-ring reinstalled, let's try it again. Now it's working great, it's not leaking at all. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the gaskets. I ended up finding this whole kit that comes with a bunch of different sizes, so we'll have these in stock for the next project. I hope you found this helpful.